So in today's video, I'm going to explain how you can file your YouTube taxes. We are going to cover the reportable threshold requirements, questions on the request form, how to find your AdSense publisher ID, and where you can file your taxes. It doesn't matter if you have a small or large channel. This video will help make your filing process a lot easier. Number one, the reportable threshold requirements. If you reach the reportable threshold of $600 or more on YouTube, you'll need to request a year-end US tax form from Google. I'll leave a link to this request form in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Also, when you're requesting your form online, make sure you're logged in the correct YouTube channel. Number two, questions on your request form. The request form has 6 questions. Your first and last name. Number two, the tax year of the form. So if the current year is 2020, you're going to be requesting 2019, so put 2019. Number three, it's also going to ask you the form type. Make sure you select the 1099 miscellaneous if you're living in the US. Number four is also going to ask you the reason for your request. You can just put you never received it. Number five is going to ask you for your AdSense publisher ID. Make sure you put this ID number in your request form, because if you don't, it's going to take Google longer to respond to your request. Number six, the delivery option. We want the fastest delivery, which is expedited to your email. Double check and make sure that the form has the correct email. It's right there at the bottom. Check that you understand the terms and agreements that the form requires, and then submit the form. Number three, how to find your AdSense publisher ID. So step one, you want to log into your AdSense account. Then step two, on the left, you want to click account. Step three, the first number starting with PUB is your ID number. So it's that simple to find your AdSense publisher ID. So what's next? Google will send you an automatic message telling you thank you for reaching out to them. You'll actually have to wait a little bit to get your request form from Google. I had to wait about 10 business days because the first time I submitted my form, I didn't put my publisher ID. So that's why it's so important to make sure that you find your publisher ID and then put it in your request form. And number four, where to file your taxes. I like to use Turbotax because it's very simple and easy to use. It's very user-friendly. You can do it on the computer or you can do it on your phone. Turbotax also does charge a fee of $120 when you're filing any form that's not a W-2. So to help you out, I have a link that you can use that will give you up to 20% off any paid federal product. So if you use my link and you create an account, you'll get up to 20% off. Make sure you check the description box below for that link as well. So it's that simple, how to file your YouTube taxes. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.